Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to reset a Ford Transit oil light. Start with the engine off and the key out, then locate the trip reset button on the instrument cluster and prepare the key. I will guide you through the ignition sequence, button holds, and verification steps in a calm, easy pace so you can finish confidently and avoid unnecessary service visits. In this video, I will show how to reset a Ford Transit oil light. With the engine off, turn the key to on and press the trip reset button firmly for roughly 10 seconds until the display blinks. Release the button, switch the ignition off, then start the truck to confirm the oil light has cleared. Follow these steps patiently and repeat once if the indicator persists, checking oil level first. In this video, I will show how to reset a Ford Transit oil light. Quick recommendation. Bring your space to life with the Echo Dot smart speaker for hands-free timers and reminders while you work on your van, and it makes instructions easier to follow. If you like this tip, please subscribe and check the description for the Echo Dot link and other deals. Now let's get back to the video. In this video, I will show how to reset a Ford Transit oil light. If the light remains after the reset, first verify oil level and quality using the dipstick and add the correct grade oil if needed. If levels are fine, consider a sensor fault or a pending scheduled maintenance code and seek diagnostic help. I'll explain simple checks and when to get professional service so you can avoid surprises.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.